Hello, welcome to Master the Mind, a guide to living a genuinely joyful life. I'm Swami Govindananda, and I've lived many years in India studying with a legendary master the subtleties of the mind. I was the first Westerner to have this unique opportunity, and it's my pleasure to share with you this wondrous, joyful, extraordinary knowledge. Master of the Mind is for those who are tired of being let down by their own mind, who want to improve the way they think so that they can have a positive outlook as they get up every day and greet every morning. And all of these talks, they work progressively together to show you how your thoughts determine who you are and what you can do to improve them. In this series, I'll explain the importance of the mind and the power of it. I'll show you how it works. I'll explain about three qualities called gunas in Sanskrit language that shape how you think and feel. I'll explain in detail how every thought determines who you are and your life experience. And by the end, I'll share a very simple meditation that you can practice every day to effect the changes that you want to get the most out of your life. This course is designed for those who want help to improve how they feel about themselves and the world around them. It's for everybody who wants to live a joyous life, be they suffering from anxiety, depression, loneliness, or whether you simply want to understand the mysteries of the mind and how to benefit from it. In fact, whoever you are, you will be benefited from this course because it draws upon timeless knowledge that has enthralled countless men and women through the ages. Thanks for your interest in Master the Mind, a guide to living a genuinely joyful life. This is actually a very unique opportunity if you want to progress in understanding about yourself. So if you like this, if it's an interest to you, then please enroll now, sign up, do what you need to do, but join me for this course. I'm pretty sure that you're going to benefit a great deal from it. Namaste.